you have a problem with your Samsung phone where it says no service or emergency calls only. There are many things that can cause emergency calls only. Follow the steps in this video to learn how to deal with this bug. A crucial first step in troubleshooting your Samsung is to reboot it. While a device momentarily loses connection with the cell tower, such as when you are traveling, this bug may appear on the screen. When you reach an area where there is reliable coverage, the restriction on making only emergency calls will be lifted. If rebooting your Samsung device does not result in any noticeable changes, the next step in the troubleshooting process that you may do is to ensure that there are no issues with the network services available in your location. If you have another phone that is compatible with your network, you should use that one to make sure everything is working properly. If the problem persists on the second phone, you will need to get assistance from the operator of your network. There might be problems with the network connection if the SIM card is not placed correctly into the tray or if it is not making sufficient contact with the circuit board. To correct the issue, you will need to power down your smartphone and take out the SIM card tray. The SIM card should be reinserted into the slot after a delay of 5 seconds, taking care to ensure that it is a secure fit. After that, try turning on your phone again to see if anything has changed. Believe that there may be an issue with the SIM card that you are currently using. Either look into purchasing a new card or going to your local carrier to get the card changed. This is a smart technique to ensure that there will not be any issues with the SIM card that you are using going ahead in the future. There is a possibility that the fixed dialing services will interfere with the ordinary network functioning. Whether your account is set up to use fixed dialing, you should experiment with turning it off to see if this makes a difference. Ignore this recommendation entirely if you already have a postpaid subscription or if you don't make use of the feature in question. After toggling their device's airplane mode on and off, several customers have reported that the emergency calls only problem has been resolved on their devices. Make sure to test it out on the device you have. Follow these instructions to switch on and off the airplane mode on your device. Open the Settings app. Tap Connections. Toggle the switch for airplane mode. There is one more technique to accomplish the same goal. Despite the fact that restarting the device and reinserting the SIM card both have the ability to refresh the network settings, this procedure is, in many instances, even more successful than restarting the device or reinserting the SIM card. Using this approach requires manually switching between network modes. This is the procedure to follow. Open Settings app. Tap Connections. Tap Mobile Networks. Tap Network Operators. Tap Select manually. Wait for your device to search for networks. Once it's done searching, select another network to connect to. For example, if you're on T-Mobile, pick AT&T or any other network. Your phone will be forced to return with an error because it won't be able to register successfully. Afterwards, select your own network again and see if your device will now be able to re-register and fix the emergency calls only bug. When trying to repair problems with the network, it may assist to reset all of the existing network settings. If none of the remedies described earlier have been successful, you should definitely try this one. To do this, please proceed as follows. Open Settings app. Tap General Management. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings button. The steps will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings. This means that you'll have to enter Wi-Fi passwords, repair Bluetooth devices, or re-enter VPN credentials again. The last step in troubleshooting that you may do on your smartphone is to perform a factory reset and delete all of the data on it. Be sure to create a backup of all of your personal information before you proceed. Create a backup of your personal data and remove your Google account. Open Settings app, scroll to and tap General Management. Tap Reset. Select Factory Data Reset from the given options. Read the information, then tap Reset to continue. Tap Delete All to confirm action. If if none of these troubleshooting steps for the device work in any way, you may safely infer that the issue is not caused by the device itself, because it is almost certainly originating from your network. You should seek assistance from the people in it. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.